Hey, what's going on, guys? Hello, my name is Aline. If you've come to this video, you're here because of a reason. And is that specific reason because you want to live a normal, healthier lifestyle without having to worry about your blood sugar levels? Then guess what? You are in the correct video. And in today's video, I actually said video a lot just then, but I will be introducing to you guys a supplement that is called Glucoberry. Glucoberry is just so rich with natural ingredients that the best part about it is that you don't have to worry about your blood sugar levels. You don't have to worry about what you eat because Glucoberry has got your back, it's got you covered, and you can just live your normal lifestyle without having to worry about sugar spikes. Now, if you want to purchase this Glucoberry supplement, I'm going to be leaving their very unofficial webpage just here below this video in the description box. So you should know this, that the manufacturers of Glucoberry, they decided to keep everything so much more safe and secure and original by selling it only on their official webpage. So if you guys get it from there, you'll be making a safe purchase. And also, if you need a refund in the future, that is where you have to go back to get it, okay? Now let's just talk about what Glucoberry is, because I know there's a lot of people out there that's really curious. But it is just so simple. You see, Glucoberry's main ingredient is actually maqui berry. Maqui berry grows in Argentina, Chile, in the Andes. And it is just a rare ingredient that is just so hard to get anywhere else because it's only from South America. And maqui berry is actually very great, and it's a responsible natural ingredient that will help you to balance your blood sugar levels, maintaining it at a completely normal range, all because that it is super rich with anti-inflammatories and antioxidant substances. So, studies have shown that people who do use maqui berry extract, they just are able to maintain a healthy glucose levels no matter what they eat, even if they do eat meals that are just super high in sugar or super high in carb-rich foods. So maqui berry is the #1 ingredient in Glucoberry. There is other natural ingredients in it, of course, and you can read the full list on the official webpage, but what I meant to say is that Glucoberry contains only natural ingredients, so you're getting something that is green and organic. Now, Glucoberry will help you out in so many ways. It's going to help you support insulin production and also remove blood sugar spikes after carb-rich food, and it will help you guys reduce sugar cravings. So by helping you to reduce sugar cravings, your body is actually going to be losing weight as well, which is just so awesome because sugar is the main thing that helps us put us weight on. So by, stop that craving, I'm a person that whenever I go out, if I see any chocolate bars, I'm already buying it and chewing on it. That's wrong because that is totally what's helping me to just store fats, right? But that's what Glucoberry will do. I'll see that chocolate, I won't have the need to eat it, So that's very great as well. And basically, Glucoberry is just a really great supplement to give you more energy throughout the day, to get you more disposition. And it's a very great supplement for effective blood glucose regulation. So here you guys are getting a full package, You're going to have the freedom to eat tasty foods, to eat whatever you like to eat without worrying. You're going to boost up your kidneys' health as well. So why not give it a shot? I mean, Glucoberry is FDA approved in a GMP certified facility. So you're getting the best qualities and the highest of standards, and it's a supplement that was created right here in the States. So we have quality, guys, right? But anyways, just give Glucoberry a shot. You are not going to regret it, but you have to maintain a very strict treatment. You have to use Glucoberry every single day on a regular daily basis, and you should not interrupt your treatment, because if you start to interrupt your treatment, it's just going to take so much more longer for you to get results. And the full treatment is only 6 months, guys. So think about that. Also, if you need a refund for whatever reasons, you are backed by a 180-day money-back guarantee. So, if you should not come to like it, you can have all your pennies back. Think about that. Now, if you guys want to know more about Glucoberry, visit the official webpage, okay? For now, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope I have helped you out somehow. If you have any questions or doubts, place them in the comments below as well. See you guys next time. Bye!